Hello everyone, welcome to Engineering Graphics through CAD Laboratory Viva questions on experiment number 2. Draw the projections of points in different coordinates. Question number 1. What is the CAD and who introduced AutoCAD? The abbreviation of CAD is Computer Aided Design and introduced by Jhon Walker in the year of 1982. Question number 2. What is the term used to describe the projection of a point onto the horizontal plane in engineering drawing? The answer is top view or plan view. You can see this image. In the place of point, you can take any object that is onto the horizontal plane. To describe the projection of that object onto the horizontal plane in engineering drawing is top view or plan view. Similar like to describe the projection of a point onto the vertical plane in engineering drawing, that is front view or elevation view. Question number 3. In a first angle projection, where is the top view located relative to the front view? Answer: below the front view. In first angle projection means the point should be in first coordinate, that means above HP and in front of VP. Here the front view is above XY and top view is below XY. In the given question, he is asking that in the first angle projection, where is the top view? The top view is below the front view. Question number 4. In an engineering drawing, what is the term for the line that represents the projection of a point onto a reference plane? The answer is projection line. Question number 5. When a point is behind VP, its top view is dash XY. Answer: above XY. Here the given question is a point is behind VP. Two conditions are there. The point in second coordinate. Here also front view is above XY and top view is above XY, because top view falls on horizontal plane. When we rotate horizontal plane in 90 degrees clockwise direction, the top view goes above XY. The second condition is the point in third coordinate. That means the point in the point is below XY and behind VP. Here the front view is below the XY and top view is above XY. So the correct answer is option. The correct answer is above XY. The top view is above XY. Question number 6. If a point is below HP and behind VP, it is in dash coordinate. The answer is third coordinate. You can see this image. The point is third coordinate only. If a point is below HP and behind VP, it is in third coordinate. In this case, front view is below XY and top view is above XY. Question number 7. If a point is on VP and above HP, its front view is dash XY and top view is dash XY. Answer: first one is above and second fill in the blank is on. You can see this image. Here let us take one point A is on VP and above XY. Its front view is on VP, that means above the XY, and top view is on XY. Question number 8. The line joining front view and top view of any object, an object is always dash to XY and it is called dash. The first fill in the blank is perpendicular, second fill in the blank is projector. You can see this image. Here the front view is joining of front view and top view of an object is always perpendicular to this XY. This line is called projector. Question number 9. If a point is above HP and behind VP, it is in dash coordinate. The answer is second coordinate. You can see this image. Here the point, let us take one point B is in above HP and behind VP. Here the front view is above XY and top view is also above XY. So the correct answer is second coordinate. Question number 10. A point is 20 mm below HP and 30 mm behind VP. Its top view will be option A 20 mm below XY, option B 30 mm below XY, option C 20 mm above XY, D 30 mm above XY. In the here the terms below and above gives only front view. So Elmlet 20 mm below xy and 30 mm below xy. Behind in front only gives these two terms. Behind and in front uh, gives only top view. So here the 30 mm behind VP. So the correct answer is 30 mm above xy. Here below and behind this point in third coordinate. In the third coordinate, top view is above xy. So the correct answer is option D, 30 mm above xy. You can also see this image, 30 mm above xy. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates, and also share to your near and dear friends.